Yeah.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is طاہر. My question is, as Woh Waqfine Nau children, we are encouraged to advance our education.
No, you are not a child, you are a grown-up man now. ठीक है. As a Woh Waqfine Nau, what should be your?
As Woh Waqfine Nau, we are encouraged to advance our education. And in the United States, the student loan
Even
debt.
As an Ahmadi, we are encouraged to advance your education.
Ji. Ji. So in the United States, the
Woh Waqfine Nau should be ahead of the ordinary Ahmadi.
Absolutely. Ji. And in the United States, the student loan debt has become $1.5 trillion, which is bigger than car debt as well as credit card debt. So would you have any advice for Ahmadi children on how to manage your finances while you were studying?
Those who are taking loans from the government or the banks for their studies, normally I ask them to, whichever field they are in, they should get experience and work for 2 or 3 years outside in any of the in any of the departments or any company or elsewhere, or hospital, even if you are a doctor, and try to repay your loan back. When you repay your full loan, there is no liability on you, then you can offer yourself as a Woh Waqfine Nau. But during that time, you keep on informing the markaz what's your progress and where you are. Uske alawa, as I have said, 5 daily prayers, daily tilawat of Holy Quran, good morals, and what was the 4th thing? And
namaz centers. Visit namaz centers.
And namaz center, obligatory namaz. Come for congregational prayer, masjid mein ya namaz center mein. तो ये चीज़ें तो साथ साथ होनी चाहिए. ये नहीं है कि if you are doing some job in any of the hospital and with some company or with some firm as a lawyer or accountant, so you forget what is prayer's time. तो ये चीज़ have to be particular. ठीक है? ये चीज़ें करो और pay off कर दो अपना loan, and then you can ask what to do next. Otherwise, there are some students in some poor countries or third world countries whom we provide loans to better their education or advance their education. ठीक है? चलो एक सवाल कर लो नमाज